Hi, I'm Evan. This video is about Canvas notifications. The notifications tool connects Canvas events to your email, and it's very easy to personalize your notifications. First, log into Canvas, then click on your account, then Notifications. Canvas Notifications sends your notifications to your UMN email account by default. This demonstration shows a testing Gmail account, but yours will go to your campus account. Please note these icons before going further down the page. The check mark means notify me right away. Next, the clock is daily, followed by weekly summary, and then finally, don't send me anything. Next, scroll down the page of Canvas events. If you ever get stuck on what an event is, you can hover over that icon. And for instance, you can see over invitations that this row is for these sorts of invitations. I might then decide that getting these sorts of invitations as notifications is fine just once per day. So I'll click on the clock icon. You just go down the list and decide how often, if at all, you want a notification for each one of these events. We do, however, strongly suggest that you keep the announcements notification set to right away, as that event could be a very timely event. Also note that there's no save button. Simply navigate away when you have the settings set the way you want. Just come back whenever you want to readjust it again. That's it. Canvas notifications located in your account settings.